G'day guys, it's Matt here from Coast to Coast RV, and today I'm just going to run through this new Caravan starter kit which was just released. This has everything you need to get you on the road. Alright guys, as you can see, there's a lot of gear in this starter pack. Now the first thing you'll need is this leveling system here, or leveling ramps. These are fully load rated. You get 2 in a box and a chock. So pretty important, you back your Caravan in onto the level that you need. You then put the chock in front of the wheel. That way it's a lot more secure. Another thing that's pretty important with a leveling system, if you have a gas fridge, it's 5% out of level, it's about 10% less efficient. So extremely important. And of course, we've included this T-level just to make sure you're level. Everyone likes to drink water while they're away. So we have drinking hose. Plug it into the water outlet and then plug it straight into the Caravan and off you go. Another important thing is power. Obviously you got a powered site, you need a power cord to plug it in. Pretty simple. 50-meter power cord is long enough and it's 15 amp and it'll do the job perfectly. As I said, water goes in, well, it's got to go out somewhere, doesn't it? So we have a 10-meter sullage hose. Plug it in and off it goes into the outlet at the Caravan site. Now, at the end of the long weekend and you've had enough and you chuck all this stuff in, and then next time you go traveling, you're like, oh my God, what have we done? We have made it all a lot easier to sort out. We have made the process of packing up a lot easier here at Coast to Coast RV. Instead of feeding your sullage hose into a hole, we've just made a massive hole. Once it's all rolled up, it all fits in so easily and so effectively, just like that. And finally, drawstring, lock it in position like that, chuck that in the tunnel boot of your Caravan and off you go. And of course, we've got this same modern design with our drinking hose and also with our power cords. Straight in. We have 3 starter packs, 1 for your motorhome and 2 for your Caravan. You might ask why we got 2 for your Caravan. Well, we've got a 25mm sullage hose and also a 27mm sullage hose. Thanks for watching and check out coastrv.com.au. See you later.